Alright, so all ready to go to higher heights?
Yeah, let's go. But first, if all you don't know how to make a V or a Y with a one rubber band, I will show you. But at the end of the video, just letting you know that.
Alright.
But I could show you now.
Hey, and only remember.
Hey, come up. You come in my shop?
Nah. Hey.
Hey, look.
Hey, where's this scene? JJ's squad is your boy Jamal, and today we're back with another little video. Today we're going outdoors. Today we're going to do this one vlog style. You know, I never thought about vlogging because I always say vlogging is for females, right? Because you know them females, you know, they like to add their face in the camera and check out the hair and check out the, you know, and they talk a lot. And when you're vlogging, you have to talk plenty. And I'm not a person that really talk plenty now. But today, Jai, you know where we're going? Anyway, there's your boy.
Hello, JJ's squad.
You know where we're going today, Jai?
No.
You know where we're going today?
Where?
Today we're going and hike Windy Hill. Yeah, have you heard about Windy Hill?
No. It's windy?
Yeah, it's windy. But I don't know if that is the reason for the name, but
Where?
today we're going up Windy Hill. Right? For those of you who don't know where that is in Aruka, just off the old road. As soon as you pass through the Arima old road and you make the left and you turn up, it have 3 hills on that side. It's Windy Hill, Edna Hill, and some other hill. Yeah. So a lot of people say Windy Hill is a bad place and they don't like to go there and thing and whatever. But I mean, it's a beauty up there, it's well developed and thing, and to me, I don't see it as a bad place. I see it as a beautiful place. Since I was a teenager, we used to pass all up them hill and them to go to the river. For those of you who know 2 head and 1 head, right? We used to pass. I don't know. I'm not too sure if we used to pass over Windy Hill itself to go 2 head, but I know for sure we used to pass over Edna Hill, right? For those of you who know Windy Hill, you could tell me if you could pass Windy Hill to reach in 2 head. But anyhow, without further ado, we're going to pick up Zachary and Turon. It's not the Zachary that you all know from the JJZ squad, but this is our cousin Zachary as well. So we are 2 Zachary, and according to how he performed today on this run, I think he would be a member of the JJZ squad. We might have to add another Z, but find that could be too much of letters. You know, we could keep it so, but he could be a member. Anyhow, without any further ado, where we go. So we are that bag is responsible for this bag here.
For the scene?
Yeah. I have to put on the bag.
Don't laugh. This is my father's hat.
That's nothing, that's the real thing.
Look, we are Zaki.
Oh, Jesus.
We are Zaki.
Are we going hunting for fish or what?
No, we're just going to take a walk.
Okay. Never mind.
Say hi to the vlog.
Peace.
So right now we're going to Windy Hill to hike. So yeah.
Just letting you guys know, I never went to Windy Hill before, so I'm not Trinidadian, I'm American.
I know.
So
Either me, I never went.
No. to Windy Hill before. Everybody go for the first time except me. Yeah guys, so I was saying earlier that I never thought about vlogging because I thought I say vlogging is more for females because you know females talk a lot. Men don't really talk all that much, and especially for me, I don't really talk all that much. You understand? And I personally find it'll feel weird because I feel like you're talking to yourself because you're just talking to the camera. But the fact that I have 322 subscribers now, I know for sure that talking to people.
Okay.
Well,
it's about time because we are by Drown's house.
you have a hat? You have it in your bag? Alright. Bye bye! Later! Yeah, so we have Joron here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, Joron, you know where we're going? We're going Windy Hill. We're just going and going to stop to the bottom of Windy Hill. We're going and walk up as far up as we could. It have a certain point where it have a real nice view that you could see. You could see all the twin towers in town and everything. So yeah, we're going and walk up there and see the view, and then well.
Lord, I come for this work. Sign me up. I come for this work. Sign me up. I come for this work. Sign me up. I come for it. Boss lady, I come for this work.
When I say I'm made up with all your feelings, you can make it. You can make it, you can make it.
I don't want to hate and love. Your feelings, you can make it.
She said she
Only lover, she only friend. She make a wish, come with a pen.
I sleep and I had a dream. Wake up and I make a vow. Soon as everything complete, we saw one now.
What I do wrong again, Lord? Tell me what I do wrong again.
Wrong again.
You are calling me dead, Lord.
They say again, wrong again.
And I don't mean to be bossy, but you can party like
Walk with sing it now. Walk with Drums weird. I'm saving mine. In my bag, my little bag.
Hi?
Yeah, the gabo. I got music box.
Cool in this one.
Like holding that.
You can hold this? You gotta hold that on this? Alright, I can hold it.
Not heavy. Apple out to bag. My own creation. I feel like we have a long I'm not even my apple's so heavy.
This is Windy Hill where people live, but we are accustomed to the flats. There are people who walk up and down this hill normal every day, go to work, go to school, come home, right? But
I woke up it like this already.
we just taking a walk up just to check out the view
I think
and just to come out the house a little bit because you see
only one with a fisher's hat and short hair.
The last round, he was with the left two, and I come back, and then he get three, and then I come back and beat him from the three. But yeah, and two. Max.
So we now reach a little way up the hill here. That's a little way. Right? Yeah, everybody here, everybody's still in good health.
We're progressing up the hill now.
If anyone out there have any problems, if anyone out there feeling any chest pain or any headache, let me know. Right?
Hey, remember to comment and subscribe and like.
Stay on the side, People passing and watching me like we going mad. Like, what I'm really doing, boy? But we just mind our own business. Oh, is it?
It's such a funny picture. And this is the man with the plan here.
fall here.
You don't even need cola. Hey, cola, we have free water, God. I can't help but no prank. Kapla. Seriously. One day. Hey, hey,
Right, all there we go.
Go bed, put on my school clothes. And then I walk, and then I walk.
Wait on the corner there, can't come in. And stay at the side. Yeah, yeah. That's not homeless. Oh,
Yes.
well, wash all your hands.
KFC. We want KFC.
Go there. Bawa pe hantar kara.
Thank you.
Bawa, not just in front of Bawa pola wrong.
Hey, sit down.
You go pass out before the week pass. This burst and cheapers, creepers, werewolf monsters and reapers. I come from a different timing, where you walk on a very thin lining. Was either music or badness, and you could lose your life in the rhyming. Many places we would go to sing, man, have ice pick and blades and long things were shining. And the adversary on the night might enter the venue with a dead squad behind him. And if you tell them the wrong thing, I guarantee the next 6-7 months you're hiding. Cause that squad we're riding, them no afraid, no police uniform, neither siren. The incorrect part of speech could make you end up in the Gulf of Paria. But the mic right and the light bright and you fight like a warrior. So when you see me man up the place, they me let me man up the place. And when you see me turn up the place, they me let me turn up the place. Boy, when you see me man up the place, they me let me man up the place. Come in, I come from the place, inside of the mic or your body in a grave. Trump tune and make the children wine. Big woman and the big men wine. Everybody know what thing them wine. Wave on the mannequin them wine. Rough time I from in them time. You can't have a thin skin them time. Can't have a yellow intestine. Can't have a thin skin surgery. But everybody hips and chrome. We stay sharp, we don't care what the topic was. Reach the destination, we don't care what the traffic was. Lyrics always ready down below the esophagus. Get the dictionary, learn about the esophagus. Step into the ring, everybody know what trouble was. Lyrics hard like a turtle back from up in the Galapagos. I mean, never had no time to play around with those stragglers. See them coming from a farm, view them with the binoculars, and they couldn't come copy us. I mean, know what a dumpy was. I mean, never gave a damn about what the job or your hobby was. If I see you by the hotel, would I catch where the lobby was? Even right up on the corner, they with me and where Robbie was. And they see this surrounding us, everybody is grabbing us, and they're looking at us like they want to hurry, some stabbing us. But we jump in the circle, don't falter like Urkel, slap on the purple and be a terror. So when you see me burn up the place, they me let me burn up the place. And when you see me turn up the place, they me let me turn up the place. Boy, when you see me burn up the place, they me let me burn up the place. My brother, I come from the place. It's either the mic or your body in a grave. Chop tune and the children wine. Big woman and the big men wine. Everybody know what thing them wine. Even the mannequin them wine. Rough time I from in them time. You can't have a thin skin them time. Can't have a yellow intestine. Can't have a thin skin them time. Watch it. I come from a different era. Thundercats and He-Man and She-Ra. Batman they spread like malaria. And Diana from them is Kera. Man with the big chin and beera. Means he was a lender or dealer. Old school Adidas and Fila. Ask my brethren Critchlow and Wheeler. Promoter would only call for heavyweight. So you have to move like if you're born a heavyweight. If they say you know you have to storm through any gate. Many places know we bring corn to every plate. Life was on the low but now we have to elevate. Let me see the rag and then start to levitate. Now me on the good and now me have to celebrate.